So we will demonstrate how to split the workspace. We are going to click on the extensions. So this is the extensions. If you might see it up here somewhere or down here, but when you click on it, it's going to look like this. So it should be somewhere over here. Now make sure that you expand it, so you are going to see extensions, and these are all of the extensions that I have installed, but I'm gonna look for this one. It's called Live Review. So it's this one. You see it has this verified check and it's by Microsoft. So one click on it and make sure that you install it. So once you install it, I want you to restart the VS Code. But now you see when you open a file, for example, let me collapse this window. All right, so you see now we have another option, which is show preview. So you see right here at the top right, we have show preview. So if we click on it, you see it's gonna show us a browser next to it. So for example, let me change this code and let me just rewrite something with HTML or with JavaScript actually. So I'm going to say my heading. So what happened? Sorry. So I'm gonna give the first line there, and I'm gonna say my heading. The inner HTML equals to hello world. So you see now, as I make changes, it's live updating. So now I don't have to go to file, save, and then open a browser and then refresh it. No, this will save you at least some click. And now we can type our code more professionally. This workflow transformation prioritizes speed and precision when we build responsive layouts. So now you see, even if I make a small, if I shrink the browser, you see I can shrink it and I can expand it. I can basically develop my website now, and let me just add some CSS here, style. So let me just select the heading, so hashtag, make sure that I type that correctly, and I'm gonna say color, let's say aquamarine. You see right there, it changed it. So now we go to file, save, and if we want, we can copy this link and we can basically paste this link in a browser and we will view it on a web browser. So it's up to you if you want to do that or not. So this is one of the best extensions that I recommend every developer download it when they use VS Code. So I hope that you like this video, everyone.